At 15 years old, I had no business working in a hair salon. But why the fuck I turn around and the hair salon get shut down and my shop owner go to jail? People start trying to break in the shop. People start stealing mirrors and chairs out the shop. The shop owner had got her kids taken away from her. Then her ass got up and moved away, opened a new shop. That shop got shut down and I never heard from this woman again. This is a motherfucking story time. I wasn't gonna tell this story because when I lived at home, everybody knew what shop I was talking about because everybody knew where I worked at. But I don't live out there no more. And I keep telling y'all that it was ghetto where I'm from. But I feel like y'all don't be believing me sometimes. So I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek into this shit. So maybe you know, maybe you don't know. But at 15 years old, I started doing hair. I had picked up a mannequin during quarantine. I was trying to sneak and play with it because back in my family, if you was playing with dolls or like girly shit, they would instantly be like, oh, his ass, he got sugar in his tank. And now it might be a little bit of sprinkle of sugar in my tank, but my tank ain't all the way sweet. That bitch ain't filled with sugar. The water might be a little sweet, but it ain't filled with sugar. Y'all know, just a little sprinkling shit. Before I get too far into the story, y'all know I gotta pay these bills. I got this wig from Unique Hair. They got good lace, HD lace. The knots on this wig was small. I didn't have to bleach no knot. It melted good and it held the curl really good. Y'all see that shit giving scalp. Don't play. If y'all want these story times for free, them hair companies gonna have to pay that fee, okay? So I gotta pay these bills. I'm sorry, y'all. Back to the story. So one day my bestie caught me playing with the dog. Well, it wasn't a dog. It was a mannequin. But I was still embarrassed because at the end of the day, I still felt like either or was playing with a dog. I felt like I was playing with a Barbie doll. But she was like, oh, you kind of decent at that. I'm thinking she finna instantly clown my ass. She wasn't even clowning my ass. Long story short, fast forward. For the rest of the quarantine, I started playing with that mannequin, started getting good as fuck. I started doing hella different hairstyles and shit. Then my godmom bought me a real mannequin with some good ass hair. I'm talking about she had that